Hello everybody. We will meet for 8th standard of General Science unit number 1 living world and classification of microbes. In previous lecture we observed about the classification of living world by Robert Whittaker. 5 criteria in 5 kingdoms: the kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia. Now 8 we will study about the classification of microbes. Microorganisms are largest in number. They are classified as bacteria, protista, fungi, algae and viruses. Now we will study separately in detail. First, bacteria. Now if we study about the bacteria, these are mainly unicellular microorganisms. These are independent or parasitic organisms. That means they are depend for their nutrition on other organisms as well as independent. Bacterial cell is prokaryotic. That means the bacterial cell is with cell wall but distinct nucleus. They reproduce by simple binary fission. Second type of microorganism is protozoa. Protozoa are mainly in size approximately 200 micrometer. They are found in soil, fresh water and seawater. Some protozoas are pathogenic. These are unicellular with a eukaryotic cell. There is a great variation in cell structure, organs of locomotion and modes of nutrition among protozoa. These organisms reproduce by simple cell division. Example: amoeba, paramecium, Plasmodium vivax, Euglena. Third type of microorganisms is fungi. They are approximately 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer in size. These are found on decaying organic matter and dead bodies of plants and animals. These are eukaryotic organisms. Some are unicellular and other are visible with naked eyes. Saprophytic, absorb their food from decaying organic matter. For example, baker's yeast, candid, mushroom. Next type is algae. They are approximately 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer in size. They are aquatic, eukaryotic, unicellular, autotrophic organisms. Photosynthesis is carried out with the help of chloroplasts present in the cell. For example, chlorella. Last type of microorganism is viruses. Viruses are extremely minute. They are 10 to 100 times smaller than bacteria. They are found in the form of independent particles. Virus is a long molecule of DNA or RNA covered by a protein coat. Viruses survive only in living plant or animal cells and produce their own proteins with help of the host cell. and create their numerous replica. Then they destroy the host cell and become free. These free viruses again infect new cells. खरं तर मित्रांनो, ह्या व्हायरसेसबद्दल थोडंसं जास्त बोललं पाहिजे. आज आपण ज्या आणीबाणीला सामोरं जातो आहे ते ह्या व्हायरसेसमुळे. खरं तर ही व्हायरसेस लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम म्हणून कन्सिडर करता येत नाही. तर ती लॉंग मॉलिक्यूल DNA आणि RNAचा एक लॉंग मॉलिक्यूल असतो. प्रामुख्याने ही कोणत्या तरी सजीवांवर, एकतर ती वनस्पती असू शकते किंवा प्राणी असू शकते, त्यांच्यावर ती जगते, त्यांच्यामध्ये जगते आणि त्यातल्या सजीवांच्या प्रोटीन्सचा, म्हणजे ज्या सजीवावर ती डिपेंड आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये तिने एंटर केलं आहे, त्या सजीवाच्या प्रोटीन्सचा वापर करून ती स्वतःची निर्मिती करते आणि स्वतःच्या कॉपीज तयार करत असते, लाईक झेरॉक्स कॉपीज. आणि मग तो जो सजीव आहे त्या सजीवाला अतोनात हानी. These viruses causes many diseases to plants and animals. For example, polio virus, influenza virus, HIV/AIDS virus, in cattle, picorn virus, on plant tomato, wilt virus.